Hi. Hello. Hi. Whoa, that was weird. So this one's called the Big Seven. I don't have a better name for it. I think I used to call it partial quotients, but since all of what we're doing are partial products and partial quotients, that's why it had to have a new name. Hi. So yeah, no, the Big Seven. And I'll show you why. The reason we want to focus on this skill and this strategy is this is the one that leads us directly into long division next year in 6th grade, which is when you're supposed to master it. So understanding what things kind of look like, what the strategy is going to be, and they'll be building upon the strategy in middle school. So without further ado, the Big Seven, we're going to look at our favorite problem. Let's go this side, see what happens there. Well, what if I can put it on? I need like stands in here. I think next year I really got to like work on the room a little bit. Okay, so we're going to look at 228, our best friend here, divided by 12. We've seen this now for a third time. So now, this is the reason it's called the Big Seven. Are you ready? Look at that. I've made a Big Seven. So we have 228 inside of it, divided by 12. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to be using our partial quotients and partial products and whatnot over on this side. We're going to keep track and subtracting it. We do not want to go over. Like the one before, we went over. And that was fine because I was kind of thinking about the number and going around. And if you want to go over in your head and kind of think about it, I think that's fine as well. But we don't want to go over when we're subtracting because that would give us into negative land, which is a fine land to go to, but not one we're visiting this year. So we want to, again, our goal is to try and get down to 0 because that is what will tell us how many groups of 12 are in 228. So as I recommend, we start with either 10 or 20. 10, 20 is what, that 240, so that's above. So I have 10, which is 120. And then I subtract 0 minus 8, 0, 1. So I have 108. I can't do 10 again. I could do 5, right? Half of 10, 120 is 60. So I subtract that again. That's going to give me 48. And I know my 12 times table. I know that's 4. Oops. What you want to try and get in the habit of is keeping the numbers lined up with your products. Okay? Ooh, I keep looking at the wrong way. I was used to it over there, but now it's over here. Keep your numbers lined up with your products. So 4 times 12 is 48. And that will give us 0. We add up our numbers over here, 10, 5, and 4, which gives us 19. So where we want to put the answer? Right up here. When you want to keep it, the 1 and respect place value is over the 10s, and the 9 is over the 1s. So 228 divided by 12 equals 19. Alright, let me know if you have any questions. Have fun with this stuff. Like, seriously, it's practice. It's fun. You're building connections in your brain. The more you practice, the easier it gets for you, the stronger the muscle gets. The different strategies you have, the more connections you have, so that you can remember more things. It's a beautiful, beautiful thing, so have fun.